This is how much you can afford with $1 million in the Brickell area of Miami. For the ones who don't know, Brickell is considered the financial district of Miami, having a lot of banks, financial companies, and insurance companies located here. And Brickell is just south of downtown Miami, and it's known for its fine dining and amazing nightclubs. We looked up all the $1 million properties available for sale, and we found these 4 options. We selected the first one. As you can see here, the first option is a beautiful 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom condo plus den with about 1,119 square feet under AC, located in the SLS Lux Brickell building, right in the heart of Brickell. It is asking $1 million, and this building is actually fairly new. It's from 2018. This condo happens to be on the 17th floor facing the city, and this is the view you can see from the balcony of this condo. As soon as you see the kitchen, you can already tell the condo has high-end finishes throughout. Porcelain tile floors throughout the entire unit, coarse countertops, and my favorite feature is that the refrigerator is completely hidden, wrapped around Italian cabinetry just like the rest of the kitchen. Here you can appreciate the size and the view from the master bedroom. And what is a master suite without its master walk-in closet, and it has custom-made cabinets. Alongside the master closet, you have the master bathroom, which has plenty of space. Here's a continuation of the master bath, and you can appreciate the high-quality finishes throughout the unit. People love living in the SLS Lux Brickell building because of all the amenities that it offers to its residents. Like, as you can see here, pools, tennis courts, gazebos, spa, and this is actually the view from this condo on the 17th floor. Just think about it for a second. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit in a hot Miami date, and you're in this luxurious pool enjoying your $1 million